This summer's Cook & Company property video is presented by Mark Armstrong, Realtor. Great floor plan with open living room, kitchen and dining area. Gas log fireplace and wood floors make the living area feel very comfortable. Master bedroom is split from guest rooms and includes an office nook. Master bath is roomy, with large shower and separate walk-in closets. Kitchen has a pantry, plenty of storage, and gas stove. Large, fenced backyard, with porch and deck. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Armstrong, Realtor at 903-374-5153.